deep sleep state. In this sleep state, Anandamaya Kosha is there. In dream, Anandamaya Kosha is there, plus Manumaya Kosha, Vijnanamaya Kosha is there. प्राणमय कोश तो है, सब समय है. बाकी वेकिंग स्टेट में आनंदमय कोश है, विज्ञानमय कोश है, मनोमय कोश है, प्राणमय कोश है, और दिस अन्नमय कोश is also there. So Shankaracharya defines this Atman as different from the three bodies, Sthula, Sukshma and Karana. Sthula body, this Annamaya kosha. Sukshma, Prana, Manas, Buddhi, Jnanendriya, Karmendriya, Sukshma. And Karana means this Anandamaya kosha or deep sleep state. So this Atman is different from the three bodies. And five seats, Panchakosha, Annamaya, Pranamaya, Manomaya, Vijnanamaya, Annamaya. And beyond the three states, Jagrata, Swapna, Sushupti. What is its nature? Its nature is all knowledge, all existence and all bliss. So we are that. When we separate ourselves from the body, immediately we become free from seven weaknesses. That I am body, I am born, I will die, जाति, मेरा कास्ट ये है, मेरा आश्रम ये है, मैं ब्रह्मचारी हूँ कि मैं मैरिड हूँ कि वानप्रस्थी हूँ कि सन्यासी हूँ. Seven oris, I become free from seven oris. When I know that I am not the gross body, when I know that I am not the subtle body, again I free from seven oris, happiness and sorrow. मान अपमान जो है, आपका कोई प्रेज किया, आपका कोई ब्लेम किया, कर्ता भोक्ता, डोअर एंड एंजर्सी जो हमारा जो भ्रांति है, उससे मुक्त हो जाते हैं. सो दिस इज नथिंग बट द विवेक, सेग्रीगेशन. ऑल दिस सो कॉल्ड सिस्टम्स ऑफ नॉलेज आर नथिंग बट क्लासिफिकेशन, सेग्रीगेशन. बॉटनी में आपका क्लासिफिकेशन है, जूलॉजी में क्लासिफिकेशन है, फिलोसफी में क्लासिफिकेशन. क्लासिफिकेशन यही तो है नॉलेज में. तो ये जो क्लासिफाइड हुआ है आत्मा एंड अनात्मा, माई सेल्फ एंड नॉट सेल्फ, mingled. See, there is very popular example in Advaita Vedanta philosophy, rope and the serpent. You know, a rope is there, but due to less light, due to absence of light, it seems to be a snake. Likewise, though I am the pure self, one infinite self, because of ignorance, I think myself. It is covered in ignorance. Self is covered in ignorance, and because of projections, due to rajas means projection, tamas means cover. It is covered. Truth is covered by ignorance, tamas, and because of truth is covered, I do not know what is truth. So I think myself that this body may be true. Projection. This is rajas, and I think myself as body. So two things are intermingled. It is called Anyonyodhyasa. Is it not? Anyonyodhyasa means Atman and Anatman, they are mingled. And the properties of Anatman becomes the property of Atman, and the properties of Atman becomes the property of Anatman. What is our property? Satchidananda. Because of Satchidananda myself, this body seems to be true. The body seems to be living. And the property of Chit, because the body, self is Chit or all knowledge, the mind seems to know, intellect seems to know. Intellect seems to know so many things. But the real power is from the self only. And my property is Ananda or bliss. Myself is bliss. But this mind seems to be happy. The property of Atman is transferred to the Anatman. And what is the property of Anatman? Property of Anatman is action, क्रिया. प्रकृति क्रियमाणानि गुणैः कर्माणि सर्वथा. अहंकार विमूढ़ात्मा कर्ता हूँ मन्यते. गीता में बहुत जगह में लिखा हुआ है, जो अपने आप को कर्ता मानता है, ही इज मिस्टेकन. तो प्रकृति में क्रिया होती है. बाहर में जैसे आपका पानी बहती है, हवा चलती है, आग जलती है, इसी तरह हमारे अंदर भी प्रकृतियाँ हैं. उसमें सारे काम, जो ब्रीदिंग हो, डाइजेशन हो, ब्लड सर्कुलेशन हो, इट इज ड्यू टू प्रकृति ओनली. बट that property of Prakriti is transferred to the cell, and I wrongly think that I am doing, I am enjoying. See, just like a piece of iron, when it is kept in fire, the black iron seems to be red, and fire does not have any shape, but it seems to be round. Do you see? Iron cannot burn paper, but the iron which is kept in the fire, it can burn the paper. And fire does not have shape, but because it is in the fire seems to be round. Likewise, this Atman and Anatman, it is called Chit Jada Granthi or Hridaya Granthi. Granthi means Granthi. गांठ बोलते हैं, ये गांठ पड़ गया है चिद और जड़ के अंदर, आत्मा और अनात्मा के अंदर। इसलिए आत्मा का जो प्रॉपर्टी है वो अनात्मा की तरफ चला जाता है, और अनात्मा का जो प्रॉपर्टी है हमको क्या करना है, बस सुनना है और अपने आप को जानना है। दैट आई एम दैट अनलिमिटेड इन्फिनिट कॉन्शियसनेस, नॉलेज, एग्जिस्टेंस, दिस आई एम नॉट दिस बॉडी। व्यवहार हो संसार में, जैसे व्यवहार होता रहे ऐसा होना चाहिए, लेकिन अपने आप में हम जानेंगे कि मैं लिमिटलेस हूँ, आई एम नॉट कन्फाइंड टू दिस बॉडी। वो सन्यासी व्हाट होम कैन होल्ड दी, स्वामी विवेकानंद से, कौन सा घर आपको पकड़ सकता है? आप तो लिमिटलेस हैं, आकाश से भी सूक्ष्म है। एनर्जी, कॉन्शियस एनर्जी, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज इनर्ट एनर्जी, इट डज नॉट नो, but I know that I am. So this is concisely what is Vedanta philosophy. It involves Viveka, Vairagya, Shat Sampatti, and Mumukkhita. Viveka means discrimination, what is real and what is unreal. Just like we define the truth. Truth is unobstructed by time. And Vairagya means the real happiness is me only. It does not exist outside in any person or any object or any circumstances, because deep sleep state is the proof. Real ananda or bliss I experience in the deep sleep, and the distortion of the deep sleep is dream and waking state. See, I can point out a very salient feature of dream. When we dream, we see so many other things, but along with other things, we see this body also. Is it not? Along with other things, we see your body. Actually, not your body, body. This is the creation of, this is our creation only. And in which light we see the dreams? The sun, moon, electricity cannot reach there. We see in the light of the sun. That the infinite happiness of deep sleep appears as many. One, in deep sleep it is one. In dream it appears as many, and in waking state also it appears as many. So what we should do in the waking state? We see the diversity, but in the diversity, if we see the oneness, we experience the bliss in the waking state. If we can see the oneness in the diversity in the waking state, we can experience the bliss, and that too with knowledge. In the deep sleep state, we experience the bliss with ignorance, so that we cannot really experience. But in waking state, our backbone is straight. In the waking state, you know, when we meditate, our backbone is straight. We are all aware of what is happening around us, and that bliss also we can experience when we see the oneness in the state. Just like when we see the gold in ornaments, clay in the different pots, and thread in the different places, we see the self of Brahman in all the places. All these are mirrors only. In the mirror, this body is reflected. All these body are mirrors. I see myself in you. I see myself in you. I see myself in this almirah. Everywhere. All these are just like mirrors. Somewhere light is absorbed much, somewhere light is reflected. somewhere the प्रतिबिंब कहाँ एकदम ठीक दिखता है, कहाँ नहीं ठीक दिखता है, लेकिन मिरर तो है ही सब. तो इसीलिए बोलते हैं स्वामी विवेकानंद, थिंक लाइक क्राइस्ट एंड विल बिकम क्राइस्ट, थिंक लाइक कृष्णा एंड विल बिकम कृष्णा, बिकॉज हियर बीइंग एंड बिकमिंग आर नॉट सेपरेट. Being is becoming. You want to become a professor, you have to study hard. But you want to Atman, you are already there. No equity necessary. When you have not lost anything, when you are not separate from the thing, but you think that I am not that, I am body, but in reality you are Atman, you have to just know only. Suppose आप कहीं खो दिए हैं, आपका चश्मा मैंने खो दिया, तो मुझे ढूंढना पड़ेगा. लेकिन मेरे पास चश्मा है, लेकिन मैं सोचता हूँ कि चश्मा खो गया है, कहाँ रख दिया मैंने. तो क्या करना है मेरे को? खाली जानना है कि मेरे पास चश्मा है. इसी तरह हम जो सेल्फ हैं, लेकिन अपने आप को हम मान लेते हैं, बॉडी मान लेते हैं, माइंड मान लेते हैं, दूसरा चीज़ मान लेते हैं और दूसरी फंस जाते हैं. यहाँ क्या करना है? खाली स्ट्रांगली जानना है कि नहीं, ये भ्रांति है, ये अभ्यास है. I cannot see the rope in the flashlight, but when light is thrown, this so-called snake goes away because it was not there. Likewise, this universe also does not exist. This is what he said. Jagat mithya. Brahman is there. In the Brahman, the universe seems to exist. Just like आजकल के आप देते हैं पेपर से पढ़ते हैं सेमिनार में कि प्रोजेक्टर होता है, कहाँ पड़ता है? वो पर्दा में पड़ता है. ये लाइट पड़ता है, सुपर इम्पोजिशन इज देयर. So friends, Swami Vivekananda is such a great person.